So you want to know about discount codes. So before we get into the nitty gritty, I want to say I'm sorry for not uploading yesterday, and that's because I was waiting for a package, and that package was this mic. So hopefully it sounds good, hopefully it looks good. I fixed my tripod. Yeah, video quality should be up now. But let's get into the nitty gritty now. So why you should make a discount code? You should make a discount code when it's like customer service, or if you're marketing towards like on Instagram, like a post or something like that. Say I'm gonna DM you a code, right? Something like that. Or for what I mainly use it for is customer service. So let's say somebody didn't get their product when it was, when they expected it, or it took too long, or it's taking too long. What you do is they usually email you. They're like, hey, when my package comes, it's been so and so. I want a refund. I'll be like, hey, before I completely understand. I would do the same thing if I was in your situation, but let me make some quick phone calls, or let me go check in with the airline. So then I usually contact either 5 hours later or the next day. And why I do that is because it actually seems like you're actually doing that. Or sometimes you do want to make sure that your package arrives on time. Don't want to be a scumbag. You tell them after that you checked in, so and so happened. Sorry, username. We at the end of this email, we've sent you a dedicated discount code for any regular priced knives. Because I usually apply it to collection because they bought that product because they were interested in those stuff. You wouldn't give them a they wouldn't have bought a knife from your website and you give them a discount code for a dog toy. So if that's a general store, whatever. But let's get into the making of a discount code. All right, so it should be recording now. So what you want to do is go on to discounts, create discounts, and we're on the home page of Shopify. This is just a quick little example thing, so I'm not going to be able to do the whole checkout thing, but I can show you where the coupon is applied and how much it should take off. So again, make it personalized. Make them feel like they have a connection to the code. So I usually go with sorry, Alyssa. Why not? I actually met someone named Alyssa last week, and my best friend's brother's name is Alyssa. So that's what a coincidence, right? Of percentage, this is important. Don't go with like a fixed amount, right? So like not $5, right? Don't do that. You want to do percentage. So when you do a percentage, this is what happens. And free shipping. I just do free shipping on all the products because why would you want to make them feel like they're getting charged twice? To make it easy, fast, simple. Don't make them rethink. So percentage, go with 35%. 25% is like a sale price, we're having a sale, 25% off, But 50% off is like, buy something, But 35% is the magic number. That's like, hey, I'm sorry, here's this extra percentage. You don't have to use it, but you should use it for 35% off of our products. So I go with 35%. I go off of a specific product. Well, I do specific collections, but since this example, there's only one product, I didn't make a collection for it. We'll go into here, right? So here it is, example of my body. So I'm selling my body for $1 billion. No minimum requirement. Customer eligibility, I usually do everyone because if they share it with somebody else, then hey, you made another sale. It's all good. I don't limit the numbers you use. Set it to the time right now. Make it active immediately. End date, this is important. So today's Wednesday, right? I would give them like 4 or 5 days, right, to use it. Try to go with 4. So like let's say if it's a Monday, then they could use it Friday night. If it's a Tuesday, Friday night. Wednesday, Saturday night. Thursday, Sunday night. Friday, I would go with until next Friday. So hopefully they don't text you on a Friday, because also they won't use it. It's too much time. You're using urgency to motivate them to use the discount code, right? So it's valid until Saturday night at 11:59 p.m. So it should be active. Yep, there we go. It's active. There you go. And right here we're ordering my body, right? I'm selling my body for $1 billion. So if you want it, go over here and buy it. No problem. And then we're gonna put discount and we're gonna apply it. So yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, behind it, guys, just make sure you build that trust with them, or with them with either like the influencer post or customer service, so they can use the discount code. it's kind of like a shot in the dark, right? No, not a shot in the dark. There's one last spotlight on half of the board, and you're blindfolded with one eye. Eye patch. You have an eye patch on, and you're throwing it. And yeah, I mean that's basically it. See you guys tomorrow. I don't know why, but I just got really tired. Like, I got hit with like tiredness, like 5 seconds. Whoa. Alright, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.